In this video, I will teach you how you can add admin to your Facebook page. It is a step-by-step video and easy way you can add admin to your Facebook page without hassle. Do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important step. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Open your Facebook app, click on this profile picture, click on this drop-down button. You will see your Facebook profile here and all other pages you have or manage. Go ahead and select the particular page you want to add admin to. For the purpose of this video, I want to add an admin to this particular page, 𝗟𝗏 Creative. So I will click on 𝗟𝗏 Creative. It's switching, just wait a little. Now it has switched to 𝗟𝗏 Creative page. Click on this menu, this hamburger icon. It will take you here. Scroll down. You will see settings and privacy button here. Click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. You'll be directed to accounts. Scroll down and you will see page setup. Click on page setup. After page name, you will see page access. Click on page access. You will see the people with Facebook access and you also see the people with tax access. This Facebook access, they have the right to create content, to answer messages, calls, community activity. They can run ads, they can check the page insights, and they can also delete the page. Okay, then there's another access here which is the tax access, okay, as well as this business portfolio access. This business portfolio, we allow them to manage the business portfolio on this particular page. Okay, so there are two ways you can add access. For the admin role, you can add them with the Facebook access. That one will require them to do virtually everything on that page. Okay, now if you don't trust the person and you just want that person to only perform specific tasks such as creating content, managing content, or to run ads for you, then you can go ahead and add tax access. I hope you understand the difference between both. If you want the person to have full control of the page, then add Facebook access. But if you want the person to have only tax access, then click on this particular one to add tax access. Okay, so let me just click here to add tax access. They will explain what tax access means here. Just go ahead to read it. Down below, you will see the next button. Click on next. There's a search button here. Tap here to search for the name of the person you want to add. Now, the person will give you his or her Facebook name. Maybe you want the person to be managing your page for you, or you want the person to run an ad on that page for you. So for the purpose of this video, I want to add this person named 𝗟𝗏𝘁. So when you search the Facebook page name of that person you want to add here, it is going to pop up like this. Tap on it to add as admin. Here, they will show you all the tax access that the person is going to have access to. So the person can see the insights. That is necessary if the person is going to be managing your content. I mean, making content on that page as well as manage the content. Okay, so you turn that on. If the person is going to be managing ads for you, then you can just turn on the ads button there. Okay, but if the person is going to do virtually everything here, then turn on these buttons. Okay, I'll turn them on now. Down below here, you will see the give access button. Click on give access. To proceed, Facebook will request that you enter your Facebook account password. That is to confirm that it is you, the owner of the account, who is giving this access. So enter your Facebook account password here. I will enter mine now. After that, click on this confirm button. I'll click on confirm now, and you will see an invitation has been sent to 𝗟𝗏𝘁. You will see the Facebook page admin invite here, and they usually give 31 days for the person to accept. So if after 31 days the person did not accept the invite, it will expire. How the person will accept is by going to his or her Facebook account notification, and he will see the invite notification there. He will tap on it to review the invite and accept. If you want to run Facebook ad for someone, this is the same way the person can add you as an admin to his or her page, and that way you will see that page added among your page. So when setting up the Facebook ad, you'll be able to select the person's page and the ad will run on the person's page while you use your ad account. It's just that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.